Increasing your property's rental value can be challenging. Rising prices affect landlords and investors in Southern California. You can control your property's condition. Strategic updates attract high-quality tenants ready to stay long-term. These improvements raise rental rates, capitalization rates, and overall value. Tax deductions can reduce your tax liability. Before renovations, understand the Southern California rental market. Obtain a truthful property appraisal. Know your property's as-is value, its worth without upgrades. This isn't just an online estimate. Analyze local rental comps. Compare your property to similar units. What features and amenities do they offer? This helps determine if upgrades align with your goals. If your property rents for top dollar, large renovations may not be wise. However, tailored renovations can enhance an underperforming property. Here are top improvements to increase rental rates and value. Flooring is essential. Replace worn carpeting. Modern renters prefer laminate, hardwood, or luxury vinyl plank. For kitchens and bathrooms, choose water-resistant materials like tile or LVP. Next, consider appliances. Energy-efficient models are now standard. Old devices increase utility costs and repair calls, deterring tenants. A modern appliance set enhances functionality and aesthetics. Adding an in-unit washer and dryer is often a priority. Upgrading fixtures offers an affordable modern touch. Quick updates include light switch covers, faucets, ceiling fans, and light fixtures. These improvements show the unit is well maintained and attract quality renters. Storage solutions are essential in urban areas. Maximize space by adding closet shelving, coat hooks, or small pantries. Garage or basement storage can enhance appeal. Focus on windows. In Southern California, energy efficiency is crucial. Outdated single-pane windows increase energy bills and tenant dissatisfaction. Invest in double-pane, energy-efficient windows to enhance comfort and resale value. Curb appeal matters. First impressions count. Lawn care, exterior painting, and fresh flowers can transform your property's look. Updating mailboxes and lighting signifies good interior maintenance. Maximizing returns means focusing on essential upgrades with clear ROI. Fix foundational issues before adding features that attract tenants. Do you need guidance in creating a smart, custom plan for your rental? At Allview Real Estate, we maximize investor returns. From property analysis to management, we have the expertise you need. Call 949-400-4275, email info@allviewrealestate.com, or schedule a consultation today. Let's enhance your rental property's success together.